Good day to my future employer in Hong Kong. I am Adelina M. Pangilinan, 35 years old. I'm a separated and I have two kids. One boy, 17 years old, one girl, 5 years old. I'm a high school graduate and I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters. Sir, ma'am, with regards experience, I work experience here in Philippines as a housemaid started 2012-2014. I serve 3 person consists of one adult 37 years old and 2 kids boy 12 years old and 10 years old. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of kids, cleaning the house, washing, cooking, ironing the clothes, and marketing. My second experience work started 2014-2016. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of one grandma, 69 years old, cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing the clothes, and marketing. My third experience work started 2016-2018. I serve 4 person consists of one couple and 2 kids, one girl 5 years old, one boy 3 years old. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of kids, cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing the clothes, and marketing. Sir, ma'am, if you given me a chance to be employed, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.